Use it!
Conclusion, hindi opinion.
Ano?
Hindi opinion.
Dapat Bisaya eh. Yun, hindi ko pinag
Eh, kasi sabi ko sa inyo, hindi ako marunong.
Okay, next. Sige doon, tudo-tudo yung pagbibiro sa amin. Nakakatuwa ka. Gawin ka, nanay niya yun eh. Pero
Use pampers and papers
Ay, baba.
in a sentence.
One,
Pampers
two,
and
three.
papers.
1, 2, 3. Use it!
Sa gas station to. Do I pampers or papers?
Ano?
Do I pampers or papers? Use difference and differences in a sentence.
1, 2, 3. Use it!
In a royal family, if a baby boy is born, he is called different. If a baby girl is born, he is called differential. Different.
Pero matindi. Ayun kanta ni. Tutututut. Saya i-memorize yan. Habang pag-isipan.
Ito. Use in die in a sentence.
1, 2, 3. Use it!
And I will
Call me!
Shy na ako eh.
Use it! 1, 2, 3. Use it! Sige doon, tudududuin mo! Diba? Tudong. Sige doon, tudududuin mo magulong ko sa imo ha, para kami masaya dito. Good game!
Use calculator in a sentence.
Uy, mapala. 1, 2, 3. Use it! Oh, use.
Use calculator in a sentence.
1, 2, 3. Use it!
I'm in a meeting right now, but I'll call it calculator.
Ay, sumabit.